compact footprint. Our previous models was considered some of the smallest in the print and apply world, and especially if we compare it to some of our bigger competitors, it's very small. And now it's even smaller, 16% smaller than our previous series and 20% lighter, which is a big selling points for the environmental aspect. Compatible with domino automation. It is that is configurable inside of the printer. There's a new modern innovative uptime. It is now fully supported for Unicode. This is a big selling point for Asia with the standard configurator. You can mount it in many angles. A big selling point is that our entire standard range is available in both left and right hand option. This is a big selling point since some of our bigger competitors does not have this option. It is fully compliant all over the world. If we look at the standard range, this is what it looks today. But now we're going to focus on the DW right for both of them. During movement of the product, so you apply the label at the same speed as the conveyor moving. We have two widths, 4-inch and 6-inch, and of course left and right for both of them. So it's direct wipe applicator for moving products. So you can't apply label on a standing still product, it has to be moving. A very important aspect of this applicator is that you have the same print speed as conveyor speed. So it's very important to know how fast the products are moving on the conveyor. So you adjust the print speed to match the conveyor speed. So you print out the label exactly at the same speed. Otherwise there will be problem when dispensing the label onto the product. So it's very important for the customer, so you have to keep the sound down. This is a perfect applicator for them, since the only thing you can hear is really the printing of the label. So it's very silent. And since there's no air, it's very sustainable friendly. Just printing, no moving parts. Therefore no pinch points. The only thing that is moving is the rubber roll that moves up and down, but there are no pinpoints, so it's very safe. Very cost efficient, entry level print and apply unit, very cheap. It's very flexible, adjustable in all joints. So even if the customer changes label sizes, you can do some adjustable. And since there are no moving parts, the distance to the product has to be the same every time. So when the products are coming down the line on the conveyor, it is important that they have the same distance to the printer every time. Otherwise it will not work. Label length 30 to 300 millimeters. We have the same mounting parts across the range. We have tried to reuse as much parts as possible across the standard range, so we don't have to have so many parts. We have an extended option adjustable beak. I will go in later what that entails. And here you can really see why you need to print at the same speed as the product is moving. If you print too fast, there's a risk that the label will wrinkle onto the product in the same range. Very extended option. So this is what it looks like when we turn down the speed. As you can see, you apply the label, you print the label, and the rubber roll applies the label onto the product. So it's very simple. And here you can really see why you need